Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am showing you my unboxing of this wig as well as how I colored and toned this hair. So if you are interested in that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so when receiving your package, this is what the hair comes inside. I have the stock card that is upside down and then the hair, which is in this silk bag. The length of the hair is 20 inches and the color is 613, as you can tell. I purchased a T-part wig, so this is not an actual full lace frontal. It is just a lace front hairline and lace in the part, which the part is a middle part. And currently I'm just unraveling everything out of the hair so I can inspect it. And in this very moment, that is when I realized that the knots on the side were humongous. Yeah, y'all can see that plain as day. They were really dark. I was not dark, they were really thick. And I was not pleased with that. So I was like thinking to myself, all right, let me continue to look at the rest of the hair, which it couldn't all be bad. Here I'm looking at the lace color match. It had 4 clips, 2 on the side, 1 in the center back, and then 1 in the nape. I removed the nape and the center back clip and kept the side clips. And this is the hair as a whole. It is on the thinner side. I honestly feel like it's more of a, I want to say 130 density, honestly 120, because it feels like there's only 2 bundles on the hair due to the ends being so thin. Now I'm just inspecting the lace in the part. It is a little thinner in the parting, so I can easily pluck and tint the knots with the hair color that I'm going to use. But yeah, I'm just going in and showing you like close-up details of the hair. Now getting into the toning process, I'm taking my Shimmer Lights shampoo in very, very, very hot water. So please don't stick your hands in it. I'm using just a spatula of some sort to mix up that shampoo, make sure I'm getting all of the clumps out and it's just water and shampoo dissolved. So once you've let your water and shampoo sit for a little bit, I start dunking my wig, and I start with the center of back of the head due to it being the bulk of where the hair is and where a lot of that yellow tone sits. And then I go in and dunk the rest of the hair continuously. Like I said, the water is hot, so I'm not trying to stick my hands all the way in there, but I keep doing this for a few minutes. Once I get it to the desired tone, I take the hair out and I go on to my condition process. So I'm just taking my Aussie conditioner and just running that all through the hair, making sure it is nice and saturated because this is blonde hair. Now here I'm just showing you how much hair was shedded after doing that, and I'm just rinsing that conditioner out with some cool water. So I did go ahead and blow dry off camera. Now I'm just parting my hair that I am not planning on coloring out of the way and pulling the hair that I am coloring down so I can prepare my sections for dyeing. So I just basically take my front section and split it into 3 due to me wanting to focus my root color onto the root in the center part where I'm going to be wearing it as a middle part, and then I section everything else around it however I need to, because it's not going to need a lot of specification due to it not being seen. So for color, we are using 8NW and 9NA, which is a natural warm blonde and a neutral ash light blonde. And as for toning, we're using the Blondor Wella Lightest Pearl with volume 10 developer for both the color and the toner. Right now I'm just mixing my color concoction, and the colors are equal parts, so I'm using 1 ounce of each because I'm mixing 2 different colors instead of using one full bottle. My ratio for hair color is 1:1, so I mixed 1 ounce of color of each, so it's mixed a total of 2 ounces. And now I am taking 2 full ounce of 10 volume developer, and I am mixing that with my color. And the key to getting a nice blended root is a toothbrush. The toothbrush gets really close to the root without giving a really harsh line, so you can get a nice smoked out blend without worrying about pressure and how heavy handed you're being, because the toothbrush bristles are so soft that it kind of breaks it up and blends it out on its own. After applying color to the front hairline, I start working on my sides, and I take horizontal sections and I apply color to the lower section and the back of the next section that I'm about to take. Because this wig is mainly track instead of lace, I decided to switch back to an actual formal coloring brush, just due to I needed to work fast and also apply color to the tracks. You will be seeing me switch back and forth just due to the fact of I need some areas to blend out a little bit better, and some areas closer to my parting to be nice and softer. So once I finish with my first half, I move to the second half. I didn't actually record me coloring the second half because I was just repeating the same process. Here's what the wig looks like once I have finished coloring it. Anytime I do like a root color, I always make sure I crown it either in like a triangle or a diamond shape, due to parting and the way it flows when doing hair color on 613 hair. You want it to mimic a natural flow of hair growth. So to make sure before I let my color sit, I'm just taking the comb and combing through the edges of the hair where it meets the hair that isn't colored. And I also kind of wanted to work some of that hair color into the knots, so I'm just taking that toothbrush and just wiggling it into the knots on the lace. And I just let this sit for about 20 minutes. After shampooing and rinsing the color out, I was really pleased with the root color. The hair was super silky and super soft even after using the color on it. So now we're moving on to toning the rest of the hair. I'm taking that toner and I do the normal ratio, which is 1 to 2 parts. And with toner, you have to work pretty fast. So as you can see, I'm just slapping this on there and making sure I'm working it into all of the hair. And once I finish with that, I just let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. So guys, this is the hair finished and colored, toned. The roots perfect, the hair color is perfect. It literally was exactly what I wanted. I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section if I should film a styling or install video for you guys. This is what the wig looked like the next day in air dried in my bathroom lighting. So let me know what you guys think of this hair. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.